Did you know that Chinese herbal medicine has been helping relieve pain for over 2,000 years? Pain relief patches are a popular external remedy that can alleviate pain in joints, tendons, and muscles. They're commonly used for acute injuries in contact sports and martial arts. Some benefits of using pain relief patches include quick relief within minutes or hours of application, almost no reported side effects, long-lasting effects ranging from 24 to 48 hours on average, and targeted relief by placing the patch exactly where it hurts. Introducing Arayko all-natural fast pain relief patches with 6 powerful herbs that work together to provide fast and effective relief from pain. Our patches are made with natural ingredients, so you can feel good about what you're putting on your body. Here are the 6 herbs we use and their benefits. Cortex euchomia helps to relieve muscle pain and stiffness. Mucuna pruriens, known to reduce inflammation and promote relaxation. Sanche herb, Radix notoginseng, helps to improve circulation and reduce swelling. Zalcis Jumnades herb, used to relieve joint pain and promote healing. Dragon's blood, a powerful anti-inflammatory agent that can help to reduce pain and swelling. Clubmoss herb, known for its analgesic properties, it can help to reduce pain and discomfort. Say goodbye to pain with Arayko pain relief patches. Order yours today and experience the power of natural ingredients. Saan naabot ang 3,998 mo? Register na ngayon at mag-enjoy ng 25% discount. And you will get 40 packs of Arayko all-natural fast pain relief patches. Take control of your life, achieve success and be an independent Mijid Reborn distributor. Maraming salamat po. Mag-Arayko patch na. Ang sagot sa aray mo.